when I got married, my children's father, he's of late, but he got up one day and told me that I was a doctor making more money than him. And he told me that he wants to be the captain of the boat. I'm like, you want to be captain of the boat? I shook my shoulders. I left Africa because I didn't want anybody to be sitting on me. I came to this country. I worked hard. You want to be the captain of the boat? What boat? If I let you drive this boat, we're going to end up drowned in the ocean. Captain of the boat. For weeks, I'm going off about captain of the boat. The guy eventually left me for a woman that was going to make him the captain of the boat. I'm telling you. He goes like, girl, you're too tough for me. I need to find somebody that's going to treat me like a king. And you're wondering why you're rich, you have money, you are educated. And then your husband leaves you to go and run around with some. You're looking at them like, how do they compare to me? Because them treated him like the captain of the boat. Iniquity. I'm for real. I'm telling you, because by the time my eyes opened, I was like, Jesus have mercy. I was like, I didn't have to be the captain of the boat.